Another breakfast today. Crepes. So we have two eggs and 2 tablespoons of butter and milk, and then half a cup of milk, half a cup of water, and we're gonna use a 1 cup of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So this is very easy and quick. So I'm gonna start with the flour. I'm gonna put this 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the flour. I'm gonna mix it. That I'm gonna put 2 eggs here to the bowl. Okay. Then milk. Then half a cup of water. Vanilla extract. One teaspoon. And then the butter. Then flour. Just combine para walang lumps until it gets smooth, no lumps. Ayan na mga friend. Wala na siya. Smooth na. So let's cook it. Turn on the stove and medium high heat. This is I'm using, guys, a non-stick skillet. It's better to use non-stick skillet for the crepes, so it won't stick. Although you can use, if you don't have one, you can put some oil. It will work. But in this case right here, I don't need to put a oil because I'm using the non-stick. So, okay, I'm preheating the stove, my skillet. So let's cook this. I'm using a ice cream scoop, so I have the same size. So you lift up like this and you go round, you see. Yeah, so when the edges is dry and it looks like, yeah, it's dry, but it's dry, now it's ready to pick up, to turn over. So we'll wait for a little bit more. Cooking crepes is, you have to work with it's very simple. You just lift up like this, so it's not a, you know. checking board. There you go. So like that. So I like my crepes, it's a little bit yeah, like golden brown around it. This is done. Okay. So I'm gonna put right over here. Look at the pretty. Look, it looks like a marble. Okay, you can also fold like this. See? Yeah. Split it up. Oops, burn. I'm trying to give you a good action. See, that's the way I like. Little caramelized. Yeah, so I make 6. Yeah, nothing perfect, so always have something, but I made it. Look, pretty, right? So okay, let's whip some 1 cup of whipped cream.